Welcome to the epitome of luxury living in Sanctuary Cove. A brand new residence of unparalleled grandeur awaits, set on a sprawling 1,789 square metre block with breathtaking vistas stretching across the Coomera River to natural bushland reserves. This sublime masterpiece, boasting a 20-car basement and commercial lift, offers over 2,000 square metres of lavish living and entertaining space. Step inside and immerse yourself in the opulence of dramatic monochromatic interiors, accentuated by coffered ceilings and rich herringbone-patterned floors. Softened by wainscoted walls and arched accents, the aesthetic exudes timeless elegance. Indulge in the multitude of expansive formal and informal living and dining zones across both levels, complemented by a gourmet chef's kitchen with a concealed butler's pantry. Outdoors, the waterfront pool takes center stage in the ultimate alfresco oasis, complete with a screened terrace, outdoor kitchen, and a sunken fire pit by the water. 5 sublime ensuite bedrooms and 6 additional deluxe bathrooms await, including a master suite that sets a new standard in unrivaled opulence. His and hers dressing rooms and ensuites, along with a lavish parlour, exude Hollywood glamour at every turn. The basement level hosts a pillarless 20-car garage, a wine cellar, and a bar for the ultimate entertainer's experience. Maintain your wellness routine in your private health club featuring a gym, sauna, and steam room. Situated in Sanctuary Cove, Australia's foremost master-planned estate, residents enjoy a unique golf buggy lifestyle with integrated trails connecting to championship golf courses, a world-class marina, cafes, designer shopping, and more. Reward yourself with a landmark estate designed for those who demand excellence. Don't miss your chance to secure the finest residence in Sanctuary Cove.